In Australia right now, in 2026, the gap between the average Aussie and the top 1% isn't a line, it's a bloody canyon wider than the Nullarbor. Most people reckon they're doing all right, but the data tells a completely different story. Today, we're breaking down the 7 levels of wealth in Australia, Lego style. Where do you actually sit, mate? Level 1, the survivalist. You're not living paycheck to paycheck, you're living crisis to crisis. Rent in Sydney or Melbourne is eating 60% of your income. Food banks have become your weekly shop. Monday at 8 AM, absolute dread hits you like a truck. One broken fridge, one unexpected bill, and you're completely done. Level 2, the working middle. You've got a solid trade or office job bringing in around 92 grand a year. Looks decent on paper, but one car repair, one medical bill, or one rent hike, and you're straight back to square one. You own nothing. The bank owns everything. Level 3, the comfortable captive. You're pulling in 140k household income. You feel like you're doing well, but Sydney and Melbourne house prices have completely priced you out of the Australian dream. You're comfortable on the surface, but you're trapped. Working every day just to pay off a mortgage you'll never finish before retirement. Level 4, the security class. Debt gone. You own your home outright, or the bank owns almost nothing. Net worth pushing $1.2 million. Monday morning, you actually choose whether you show up or not. You're working for extra now, not for survival. Level 5, the asset elite. Your money's now working harder than you are. Dividends, rental income and smart investments pay the bills. You wake up when you feel like it. No alarm clock, no rushing, true breathing room for the first time. Level 6, the legacy builder. You don't just have wealth anymore, you own the actual buildings that level 3 people work in. Net worth sitting between $8 and $15 million. You influence markets, control commercial property, and you're already building something your kids and grandkids will inherit. Level 7, the Untouchables. Privacy is now your ultimate luxury. You don't live in a suburb, you live on a private waterfront estate or compound that most Aussies will never even see. Net worth, 50 million and beyond. You're not just rich, you're completely untouchable. So tell me honestly in the comments right now, which level are you actually living in Australia in 2026? Drop the number 1 through 7. If you're stuck in level 3 like most people, and you want the exact Lego style blueprint to climb to level 4 and beyond, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. New 3-minute wealth videos dropping every week for Australia, UK, Canada, USA and beyond. Let's build your empire, brick by brick.